to all the students of class 6th. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Today we are going to start with the first online chapter in mathematics, that is knowing our numbers. I know most of the students are familiar with this chapter in class 5th, but over here we are going to study or we are going to revise this chapter again. So let us start with the certain topics which are given in the chapter. The first is natural number. Everyone knows what is natural number. So let us recall it again. A number which starts from 1 and ends at infinity are called natural numbers. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on till infinity. They are called natural numbers. Now come to whole numbers. What are whole numbers? The numbers starting from 0 and ends at infinity are called whole numbers. Or we can say that if we include 0 in front of 1 in a natural number, it will become whole number. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till infinity. I hope these two topics are very much clear to everyone. Now let us take another topic, that is face value and place value. You are very much familiar with these two topics in class 5th. Let us recall it again. What is face value? Face value of a digit is the digit itself. Remember, if I have to find out a face value of any number, the face value remains the same. It will not change. Let us see with the help of an example. I have taken a numeral over here 98764. If I have to find out a face value of 8 in the given numeral, it will remain 8. It will not change. Now let us come to another topic, that is place value. Now what is place value? Place value of a digit is the digit multiplied by 10, 100, 1000 and so on, depending on the place it occupies in a numeral or a number system. Let us take an example. I have written a numeral over here 98764. If I have to find out the place value of 8 in the given numeral, first of all I have to find out the place value of each digit of a numeral. So let us see. 4 comes in the place of ones, 6 comes in the place of tens, 7 comes in the place of 100 and 8 comes in the place of 1000. Therefore, place value of 8 is 8000. I hope both the topics are very much clear to everyone. Let us start with a new topic, that is place value chart. Most of you are very much familiar with place value chart. There are two systems in a place value chart, that is Indian system and international system. I hope both the charts are clear to everyone. Let us start with the Indian system. Over here you can see the number starts from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Over here, if I have to write a certain value in words in Indian system, first of all I have to place the comma. Let us see how we are going to place the comma. Over here 1, tens and 100 comes in one group. So before 4 I am going to put a comma. 1000 and 10,000 comes in one group. So before 7 I am going to place a comma. And after that lakh and 10 lakh comes in one group. So before 8 I am going to put a comma, and then crore and 10 crore comes in one group. So if I have to write this number in Indian system in words, it will be 9 crore 83 lakhs 70,432. Let us come to international system. This system is little bit different from Indian system. I have written a numerals over here. Let us first see from where the number starts. It starts from 1, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion and 10 billion. Suppose this is the numeral which I have given you. You have to write this numeral in international system in words. So first of all, you have to place the comma. Let us see how we are going to place the comma. Over here, 1, 10s and 100 comes in one group. So before 4, I am going to put a comma. After that, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 comes in one group. So before 3, I am going to put a comma. After that, million, 10 million and 100 million comes in one group. Billion and 10 billion comes in one group. If I have to write it in words, it will be 598,370,432. These two topics are very much clear to everyone. Now, when I am going to send this video, along with this video, I am going to send a worksheet which you have to do it in your math register. I don't want to see anyone doing their work in interleaf copy. When the school is going to open, I am going to start checking your copies. Thank you and be safe.